Hello everybody, my name is Arnúlfur and yes, you heard correctly, that sound is actually my name. I'm from Iceland and I'm a photographer and a filmmaker, and today I'm going to create a video here on Matthew's channel using this vintage lens. This is the Konica 40mm f1.8. I had to check that for 1 second, and we're just gonna have some fun. I'm with my friend Óskar, who is the Icelandic looking man, and this is Iceland, and we're just gonna create some epic photos here for you guys on Matthew's channel. Okay, so we are here in Snæfellsnes Peninsula. It's freaking cold. Oh, yeah. You see this? It's like -13 or something. Behind us we have Kirkjufell. This is like the Game of Thrones mountain. We're gonna go there and take some few photos. And yeah, we're basically creating content for you guys in the freaking freezing cold. Okay, so I don't think I've mentioned it, but I'm using a Sony a6300. So then I have a little adapter to put it on, and I'm actually very happy with this. I'm very happy with this lens. It's a super fun lens to use. I highly recommend it. Anyways, it's so cold. Óskar is freezing. He's like shaking his hands while he is filming me. So we're gonna go back in the car, okay? Alright, so every shot that I've taken is handheld. I didn't take a tripod with me. I wanted this to be a little bit, spontaneous. Anyways, it's time for us to go home. It's like 3 hours drive to Reykjavik, and it's been a blast. Thank you, Matthew, for having me on. I really enjoyed this lens. As I said before, I highly encourage it. It's just so cold outside. Óskar is in the car here, and he was like, no man, I'm not doing this with you. Anyways, you can see me on my YouTube channel, That Icelandic Guy. Yeah, thank you again. I'll catch you. I'm gonna go and take a hot bath. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'll see you. Bye.